One of the oldest and well-known steel suppliers in Dallas, Texas was experiencing major roof leaks in their 140,000 square foot warehouse. Over the years, many roofing companies have tried to repair the metal roof using conventional asphalt materials. However, these hopeful repairs didn't keep the water out for long.
I'm John Ewell with DFW Urethane, and I'm going to show you around a project we've got going over in Dallas in a kind of a heavy industrial area. We're doing a steel plant. We're putting a spray polyurethane foam roof with Evercell HT over the top of it. So this is kind of our operation. 2 foam rigs. We've got our hoses going up on the roof. The foam hoses going up on this side, power washing hose on that side. On the other side of the plant, we've got our storage facility over there where we're storing all our foam and coatings. Right now we're doing the prep on this roof. We're pressure washing it, and we're kind of giving it a light wash on the top, and all the loose dirt's falling down in the gutter. So we're rinsing all the dirt out of the gutter, and then we're going to come back and hit the gutter with a high pressure wash. And we're rinsing it at 4,000 psi, so we're getting a lot of scale and stuff off of it.
After allowing the roof to dry, DFW Urethane then coated the metal using black Evercell GP. They then applied a seamless layer of Evercell polyurethane foam to the sloped corrugated metal into the large internal steel gutters. Finally, the urethane foam was covered with a heavy base coat of gray Evercell HT, followed by a top coat of white Evercell HT. This is the only totally seamless insulated roofing system available on the market today.
It's significantly different in here as far as the temperature. The thing that we notice is the moisture. So within the temperature changes when we have a humid day with the insulation of the urethane, it helps out. When before we had sweaty floors, we had sweaty material. Wow. And it's very important for us to keep our material rust free. The fact that we have this insulation, it helps out. We haven't seen a sweaty floor or a sweaty piece of material here since we've gotten the roof. To me, it's customer service. You know, we are a customer service-based company, and we expect the same from our vendors, and definitely DFW Urethane accomplished that.
If you're in need of a restoration or roof repairs, call DFW Urethane today.